don't make someone else's life difficult, because Allah will make yours difficult. Create ease for other people. Help them. Talk to them with respect. See what happens to you. Your family members, speak properly to them. Watch your tongue. The way you talk, sometimes what you are saying is right, but the way you are saying it is so horrible. It hurts people, it offends them. They don't want to be in your company. You think the angels want to be in your company? Wallahi, they don't. Because the hadith says the angels are affected in the same way that a normal person from among the good Muslims would be affected. They'll go away. When you swear, the angels run away from you. Which angels? The angels that are supposed to be hafadha, those to protect you, the angels of mercy and rahmah. They are gone. Protection. So calm down. You must have your tongue moist with the dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala a lot. Don't say bad words. You don't need. Don't lie. Don't cheat and steal and deceive. Because in that way your heart will be totally destroyed one day and you won't know whether you're coming or you're going.